Hey guys, what's up? So I was up in Mancus at about almost 9,000 feet, and it was still 91 degrees, and stayed up there for about 4 or 5 days. Went around to Farmington, go visit my buddy Patrick, elevated overland. That was just kind of an overnight, real quick. Also went in, did some grocery stuff like that, but it was over 100 degrees there. I hung out in the shop trying to stay cool, and left 4:30 this morning, not to be driving in the heat, and get up to in between Durango and Silverton area. This is one of my favorite spots. You can see I got the river behind me here. There's the Sun Raider, and yeah, this is a pretty place, and it's just like light sprinkling right now. It's so incredible. It's so nice here right now, and you can see nobody's here yet. And the reason why I left so early to get up here is because today's Friday, and I don't usually travel on Friday. I usually wait till after the weekend's over, and then I go into a location, because you're gonna get less traffic with a wide vehicle like this. I mean, I was probably down a shelf road for, I think it was 3 or 4 miles, and it was just one way all the way down, and windy and turn. And this road has definitely gotten washed out since last year. It was a lot more aggressive road. I was gonna film it, but to be honest with you, I knew if I didn't get down here, these spots were gonna go quick. So I just wanted to get down here and get my spot. So here we go. Got the Sun Raider all dialed, ready to go. How's this for a hammock spot? McLean, or Adventure Hammock System hammocks. Yeah, right by the water. That's pretty cool. And nice thing about being in here, it doesn't take long to set up. All hanging out, view there. But yeah, just stoked. Gonna be here for probably 2 weeks. Hang out down here and just enjoy the river. Sit, stay, sit, stay. Good girl. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's hot. Youch. Hot tamale. Mm. Good morning. So something interesting happened last night down here in Colorado, still by the river. 9:40 last night, I heard a single gunshot down at the other end of camp. Came from this direction. There's no other places to actual pull in and camp between here and Miles. This is the first one. So I was going to go down this morning, but I wanted to wait. I didn't want to disturb anybody in their sleep. But I know a solo motorcyclist was down there, and I know that a vehicle was down there also. So Lily and I, where's Lily? Lily! The heck is she? There she is. We're gonna go do a check, make sure everybody's okay, see if there was any issues last night. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, as far as I know, the motorcyclist was here also last night. Didn't hear him leave. And this is the end of camp. And there is nobody here. Someone left a lot of wood. Not typical to go through that much trouble and leave your wood. Hello? Anybody out here? Camping? Okay, there is nobody here. They left. And it appears to me both camps left in a hurry sometime last night after 9:40. So may have been a warning shot for something. So we'll keep on our toes, keep Lily close by. This definitely opens up more into the forest area. I've been back here scouting deer, trying to get pictures of a doe and a fawn. I'll definitely from now on keep myself armed while I'm here, just to make sure nothing happens. I should have my bear spray with me also. But yeah, we're gonna grab some of this firewood too and take it back to camp. But I'm glad that nobody's here. Glad I didn't come upon something that nobody wants to come on, you know what I mean? Let's go back to camp. Hey guys, so it's been kind of quiet here. There was a bunch of friends here. Oh man, there's one. Hold on. This is how I spend a lot of my day. If you'll see here, this guy right there is hiding behind the flowers. There he is. So this is what I'm seeing right there. If you can see him. Oh, there he goes. Don't know where he went. Let's see if he pops out. Right over here. But yeah, this is how I spend some of my time. Just hanging out. I don't, oops, I'm on the cord. I don't bait the animals. One of the advantages of being here for a few days, well, 2 weeks actually, I get to watch their habitat and how they move, where they move, back and forth, and then I can set up in those locations when the sun's right, which is cloudy and overcast, and catch these guys in the act. Oh, there's a tiny one. And I have this on what's called a fluid head, because I've got my big lens. It's 150 to 600. Oh, there he goes. He bolted. I lost him. And yeah, I don't see him. And it allows me to do real smooth movements, so you can kind of see this. So everything's really smooth. I tried to do it handheld, and I got some earlier, and I was really not happy with the results. So I decided to pull out the tripod and the fluid head and play a little with that. So hope you guys enjoy this kind of stuff. I love nature, and it keeps me busy while I'm here checking out things. So I'll have a bunch of stuff for you to see. Enjoy. Oh, and Lily says hi. She keeps an eye on me. Problem is, when she sees them, when they come close to see what I'm doing, because sometimes they do that, she chases them off because she's like, oh, squirrel! And she goes after them. She won't catch them. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy.